What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the BTS edition of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G smartphone. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Here we go. Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the top, we have little purple heart cutouts all over it. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty sweet, cute little design right there. We've got the Samsung logo in purple. And yeah, over here on this side of the box in purple, it says Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Once again, that is the name of the smartphone, so that does make sense. And yeah, anyway, let's open up this box so we can just slide the insides out just like that. And right here, wow, this is quite a beautiful design. It says S20 in purple again, and then we've also got these little multicolored polka dots all over it. That's pretty cool. So now let's just put this outside cover to the side and let's open up the box within a box. And wow, before we open it all the way, look at these dots right here. Maybe they're supposed to represent stars or something. I think that is a pretty cool design. So here we go. Now we've opened up the box and look right here. It is the phone and look at that. Wow, it is this very nice shade of purple right there. We got the Samsung logo right there and oh, did you hear that satisfying noise? Gotta love peeling plastic off phones. Obviously, I do. And let's peel the plastic off the front as well. And voila, look at this guy. I'm just gonna put it down right here to the side for a second while I see what else is in the box. So over here, we've got some stuff in the top of the box hidden right there. Let's shimmy that out. And we can just pull it out actually just like that. And let's see what is inside. Right here, we've got a SIM ejector tool. Over here, let's see what else is in here. We've got some paperwork. We've got all these cool BTS stickers right here with the names of the people in BTS. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm assuming you probably do know what BTS is if you're watching this video, but they're like a Korean pop boy band. So yeah, anyway, we can just pull this out and there are those stickers right there. And yeah, we've also got a clear case that comes with the phone right there. It's always cool when a phone comes with a case. And yeah, let's see what is in this right here. Maybe something else cool. Let's see. And it is some more little paperwork. Actually, it looks like it is cards with the BTS band members on them. So that's kind of cool. If you're a big BTS fan, you get these little cards with their faces on them with this phone. Anyway, guys, let's put all this stuff to the side and let's see what else is in the box. Right here, we've got a little Samsung right there. We can put this to the side. We've got the wall charger right here. Super fast charging. That's what it says on it. That's always a good sign, as well as a USB-C port. And yeah, right here, let's see. We've got a little piece right there. Right here, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging up this phone. And right here, we have some AKG headphones that come included with it. So yeah, now that we've seen what comes in this box, let's get the phone all set up and let's start using it. So folks, now I got the BTS edition of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G all nice and set up. So let's start using it. The first thing you'll notice when you go to unlock this phone is the purple everywhere, even on the software. Obviously, right here, we've got the BTS logo front and center. We can unlock this phone with my fingerprint that I already set up. And we see the BTS logo once again, as well as, once again, purple everywhere. We got purple icons, purple notification number on the app right there. And if we just scroll through the system, it's just purple on purple on purple. So yeah, that is definitely pretty cool, folks. Now, if we look more at the physical phone hardware, for example, if we flip it over, you'll notice Samsung logo right here, as well as BTS logo right under that. Another cool little Easter egg, sort of this physical hardware of this phone is right here on the camera array setup on the back. We've got a cute little purple heart right there. I just love that. That's just a cool little detail. So yeah, I think that's really nice. Also over here on the side of the phone, we got nothing. Over here on this side, we've got the volume rocker as well as the power button, just like that. If you want to change the volume, look at that. And yep, even the volume is in purple. That is a pretty cool thing. So yeah, over here on the bottom of the phone, we got speaker grill, we've got USB-C port, and yeah. Anyway, folks, this is a very purple phone for the BTS fan in your life. Anyway, guys, another cool software feature of this phone is actually this app right here that comes pre-installed on it. It's called BTS XR Snapshot. And what this app allows you to do is sort of bring the BTS band members into your room or wherever you are through your camera in augmented reality. So, for example, I can fire open this app and I can wait for a second, here it goes, and then I can right here pick a band member, and then that band member will appear through the camera in a virtual reality. So right here, let's see, can you guys see this right here? There is one of the BTS band members in my room through this camera, so we can just take a picture of him right there, and then we can share it on our social media. So guys, here is another example. Right now I'm using the app outside, and as you can see, we've got another BTS band member in augmented reality outside in my backyard. So yeah, we could just take a picture of him, and yeah, if you're a big fan of BTS, you might think this is pretty cool. And yeah, folks, anyway, now that we've gone over the BTS-ness of the BTS Edition Galaxy S20 Plus 5G smartphone, let's talk about what else I got in the box with the smartphone. Not obviously the smartphone box, because these are huge, but I meant just the shipping box. So these two huge guys, they're two gigantic BTS posters. So let me unroll them and show you. So here is one of them right here. Here it is. So let's see if it will unroll. So here it is. Let me see. I'll just put my face on the top, and yeah, there is this one right here. And we've also got another one. Let's look at that right here. And here it is. So this one's a vertical one, the other one was horizontal, and yeah, it's got pictures of the BTS band members as well as Samsung Galaxy and BTS. So anyway, folks, with that, now we're done with our nice, quick, easy unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G BTS Edition. So if you guys want this bad boy for yourself, it'll set you back about $1,250 before taxes. So it's not exactly cheap, but yeah, if you're a huge fan of BTS, you may think it's worth it. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this phone down in the comments. I do read all the comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus BTS Edition, baby. Bye.